I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so.
Hey everybody, in this video I am doing a pearl cell pour blizzard with a snowy swipe, and I got this idea from seeing another piece of modern abstract art, and I thought, oh, that would be really beautiful to try to translate that into some techniques in fluid art. And I wanted to do it with some beautiful celadon green color, so I mixed two different shades of what I would consider like a celadon green color, and that will be the top portion of my canvas, and the lower third is where I'm going to do my snowy swipe.
Stop if I'm coming in too soon, colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh.
I think my white pearl cell mixture had a pouring medium of 50% Floetrol and 50% GAC 800, maybe a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium, but as you see here, I got my pearl cells around the edges, but I wanted to add more, so I'm using the kind of pearl cell reactive mixture to just dab little dots, small dots, all over and in various clusters and places, so that it will help give me this blizzard effect when they all start to kind of develop and expand and grow.
Your smile, I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't want to spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial.
Now, as you can see, this video is sped up a bit, but it really was almost that fast in real time. Almost as soon as I dropped the little tiny small drops off the dowel onto the wet paint, it would expand almost immediately, and look at how fast those cells are growing and expanding.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time.
Now, I wanted to take this time to let you know this Friday with Friends lineup of fluid art videos was kicked off by Tiffany Remijn, and that's her channel, Tiffany Remijn, and hers was 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're pouring together with Lance Travis. My Friday lineup time is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm followed by Cynthia Porter Studio at 7:15 Eastern Standard Time, and following Cindy is It's Art by Donna M, and she begins at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please check everybody's videos out. I know everybody will have a lot of interesting and beautiful fluid art for this evening. I'll leave links in my description box so you can go and check out everyone's video from tonight's lineup.
Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine, but I get out, I always do. I never think, I always do.
Now, if you're enjoying this video and finding it entertaining and informative, please give me the thumbs up and like this video. And when you do that, then please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you'll be alerted when I upload new videos. And please leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you.
Stronger than I ever been.
In the light, just as I remember. Oh, so fine, always my defender. Do you think there is a chance you'll make up your mind? Wishing for the best, wishing for the best. When I look at you, I'm meant you're one of a kind. Just let me have you all around.
Now I'm putting down my colors for the swipe, and I put down kind of this sapphire blue and some of the celadon green, and I'm going to also lay down some of the copper color that I have and another brighter blue. And a lot of these colors are custom colors. I think that copper might have been a Modern Masters copper. But the brighter blue color, I am really not sure. It might have been the PBO blue-green. And so there you see me kind of laying down that brighter blue color. And those colors look really pretty together. I love how that copper and that blue color kind of contrast each other. And you're going to see me swipe across. I'm going to use a mixture. My CA is a mixture of titanium white, Amsterdam, and I think I just used regular American Floetrol with the Amsterdam titanium white as my CA. So you'll see me in just a second take a damp paper towel and swipe down, you know, the white across it, which gives it that kind of snowy swipe. It looks like almost like a snowbank, and I thought that would be appropriate since the top portion looks like this kind of fantasy looking pearl cell blizzard.
If you want your world to change, I feel like it could happen tonight. Say the words until we will believe them in the blink of an eye. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight. Above the sunny sky. Don't say you don't wanna. You're down for a surprise. It's a never-ending night. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight. Above the sunny sky. Don't say you don't wanna. You're down for a surprise. It's a never-ending night. In the light, just as I remember. Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl?
I just love watching that swipe of that paper towel coming across those colors.
Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl. Next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why. Something special.
Now, as I said earlier, up next after me is Cynthia Porter Studio at 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and up after her at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is It's Art by Donna M. Please check them out.
And I just know you got that something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl.
Now, this was a very different color composition for me, but I really do and really did like the way these colors played together with the beautiful copper and that kind of blue-green color and the celadon greens and gold. I thought it was really beautiful. I loved how that turned out with the swipe, and it's really fun to push yourself to do something outside the box. I'm usually into the blues quite a bit, and so this kind of pushed me beyond my comfort zone a little, and I really like the outcome. And I hope you enjoyed your time with me. I know I enjoyed my time with you, and I can't wait until we have some more fun pouring together.